In today's documentary, you'll witness the complete factory journey, from raw material preparation and metal skeleton engineering to silicone molding and curing.
Look at the stress levels here during the rapid flexion.
It's performing better than expected. Let's approve it for stage 2.
Programs. After filling, the molds are placed inside large vacuum chambers where trapped air bubbles are completely removed.
The filled molds move into temperature-controlled curing ovens. For several hours, the silicone gradually hardens.
फुल एचडी में बना है, इधर उधर मत करना, ओके।
Full range of motion on the ankle joint.
Dorsiflexion looks perfect. Record that as approved.
We ensure every nail is flawlessly attached and polished for that ultra-realistic finish. Now just a moment under the light.
The arm alignment looks correct now. Yes, the wrist needs a slight turn to the left.
Okay, this pallet matches the manifest.
The stretch wrap is almost done, ready for the truck. The sealed containers leave the factory on transport trucks and travel to ports and regional distribution centers. From there, the silicone...
Check the left arm articulation.
Looks good. No scuffs from transit.
Look at the articulation here. It's seamless.
Yes, and the way the light catches the skin texture, it's perfect.
After purchase, the silicone doll is carefully cleaned once again, wrapped in protective covers, secured with foam support.
Tricks. From the precision of liquid silicone casting to meticulous facial detailing and final inspection, advanced manufacturing Removing the foam now, we must check every component carefully. Look at this detail, it's made in full HD. Absolutely flawless.
Learn how to clean the silicone skin, style the hair, change clothing, and maintain joint flexibility for safe storage. Each silicone doll carries a unique serial number and quality certificate. The product is registered in the manufacturer.
Manufacturers collect customer feedback regarding appearance, flexibility, skin texture, durability, and overall craftsmanship. The lightweight titanium combined with the new joint system passed every metric.
Absolutely, and the silicone aesthetic is perfect. We are ready for mass production.
We should optimize the curing temperatures here.
And the assembly techniques to maximize efficiency.
Meticulously molded and rigorously inspected by our skilled team, these units are now ready for worldwide shipping.
Global demand for the next quarter is up 20%.
We need to secure the silicone and metal components by week 3.
These samples look good, the supply chain is robust. It's in tailings. Every incoming shipment of silicone, pigments, adhesives, metal parts, synthetic hair, and accessories undergoes strict.
Look closely at this seam right here. I see the micro abrasion. I'll use the fine-tipped applicator for that.
The positional accuracy is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The alignment looks perfect now. Ensure the optical sensors are perfectly aligned before sealing.
We need more neural filaments at Station 3.
We've passed the 15,000 mark an hour ahead of schedule. Quality is holding steady at 99%.
Excellent. The adjustments to the calibration paid off.
The certificates are all attached, and the tracking information matches the customs declaration.
Verified. Ready for shipment.
A little further back. Okay, easy now. Right there is good. All right, let's get this strapped.
Loaded containers leave the factory by heavy transport trucks and travel to major seaports, airports, and logistics hubs.
Regional distribution centers receive the shipments, scan every package, inspect for transport damage, and organize the cartons according to customer orders.
All set for secure delivery. Great, let me just scan that.
We transport your finished silicone dolls through our national and international networks, ensuring every package is handled with care. And so the journey ends, as the finished dolls leave the factory for destinations across the globe.
We've achieved unprecedented realism with the skin texture. Notice how the joints move with complete fluidity, allowing for any pose imaginable. First, gently massage the cleaning fluid into the skin. When brushing the hair, always start from the ends and work your way up to prevent tangling.
Take a look at the screen. I think this angle captures the realism we need.
Yeah.
Agreed. The skin texture is really coming through.
These clothing options look great, but are the new hairstyles updated for all skin tones yet?
Yes, I just finished aligning the model numbers. It's ready for print review.
After receiving purchase requests, the distribution center verifies customer details, selected model, accessories, and shipping destination.
All right, the inspection is complete, no issues found. Good, I've secured the foam and the moisture absorbers, ready to box it up.
Ginny. Every shipping carton receives a unique barcode and tracking label. The logistics system automatically records the package.
This one goes to Sector 3. Got it, clear the aisle.
Here is your package. Please inspect the carton for any damage.
Looks secure. Everything seems to be in order.
Great. If you could just sign here.
From liquid silicone preparation and skeleton engineering to molding and curing, every stage demands absolute precision.
The demand spike in Europe for the new model is higher than projected. I'm adjusting the production schedule now. We need to increase inventory levels by 15%.
We've finalized the articulation in the hands and the facial rigging. The proportions are exact.
Excellent. The design is approved for the prototype phase.
This mold worked perfectly. The upgraded materials are exceeding expectations. Look at the detail on the microtextures. The elasticity is remarkable.
The articulation on the left elbow is still slightly stiff. We need to adjust the servo limits before sign-off.
Noted. I'll flag it for recalibration. The prototype passed all stress tests. Excellent. Let's initiate the production sequence.
From liquid silicone to ultra-realistic humanoid, our automated factories ensure meticulous quality. Soon, these products will reach customers.
The articulation on the fingers looks stable now. Check the hip rotation. Running diagnostics on the knees and ankles. All systems green.
Our documentary revisits every important production stage, from premium liquid silicone preparation and metal skeleton engineering to molding and final assembly. Output is up, but material consumption on line 2 is still too high. If we adjust the feed rate, we should see an immediate improvement in quality and efficiency. At the beginning of the next production cycle, robotic systems automatically restart the entire manufacturing process. Our state-of-the-art factory employs a skilled team, utilizing advanced technology to craft these ultra-realistic silicone dolls. And so concludes the incredible journey, from premium liquid silicone to an ultra-realistic humanoid doll, completing the full factory process.